I'll be your instructor for this particular video that you are going to be watching. Today we are going to be talking about how to crop your image in Photoshop, and the tool we are going to be using today is going to be the polylasso tool. So you count 1, 2, 3 and you click and hold, you get your polylasso tool. Click. Before you start cropping your image, make sure you duplicate your image layer. That will be Ctrl J, and then after that you hit on Z, as some will call it Z, to engage your zoom tool. So you click to zoom. Anytime you want to crop any image, make sure you zoom in a bit to get the edges of the image you want to crop. Nice. So we go back to our polylasso tool and we start cropping. So when you're about to crop, you click on the edge, you move. So we are going to be moving on the edges of the image, unless probably what you are about to crop does not really necessarily have to be the edges of the image. But if you are cropping a picture like this from the background, you need to crop from the edges of the image. So you move gently, you click one and you move gently. This takes a lot of time, so you have to be patient and don't rush it out. So we meet at the end of it. We meet at the end where I'll be done with the cropping. So enjoy the video. Yeah, so when you're done with the cropping, you zoom out, you hold Alt and you scroll down to zoom out. So now I have my picture now. So what I'm going to do is that because I've duplicated these two layers, I only have to select the top layer, which is layer 1, and Ctrl J. The reason why you have to do this Ctrl J is because now the image has been cropped and the image is still attached with the background. So what the Ctrl J does is that it separates the background from the image you've cropped. That is why after I did a Ctrl J, the outlines that you saw just went off. So that's basically the reason why you need to Ctrl J, else you might not get what I'm getting on my screen. So you just put off this layer 1 and put off the background, and now we have our image neatly cropped. So basically this is how you crop with the polylasso tool in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video very educative, please don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell to be the first to get any educative content that we put out. Enjoy this video, thanks for subscribing, and we'll meet again next time to enjoy another tutorial. So bye.